found it. It's heavily encrusted, but the shape matches the scans.
Secure, ready for extraction. Pull it up slow and steady.
Initiating lift. Watch the tension, we don't want to break. 2,000 years of history.
Stabilized. Continue the lift. We're almost at the surface.
Welcome back to the world of light. Let's see what secrets you're hiding.
Incredible. The inscriptions are still there. This is a masterpiece of ancient engineering. The acid is doing its job. 2 millennia of oxidation are being stripped away in minutes.
My God. It's beautiful. It's not just a machine, it's a work of art.
Three teeth missing. I'll have to reconstruct the geometry and forge a new one. Perfect geometry. This gear will bring the ancient calendar back to life. Ultrasonic cleaning will reach where no brush can. Every microscopic tooth must be spotless. Perfect fit. The main shaft is secure. Time for the final check. The missing link is back. The moon will follow its path once more. A single grain of sand. After 2,000 years, it's still trying to stop time. The zodiac dial is in place. The stars are aligned once again. Almost there.
Oh, the final piece.
Perfect. It's done. The Saros cycle. They could predict eclipses decades in advance with this. It is finished. The first computer of mankind is ready to run again. "2,000 years of silence ends now."
So the same piece of junk we pulled from the mud?
It is, Marcus. We did it.
This is epicyclic gearing. They used it to model the irregular motion of the moon.
It's pure genius.
To the ancients, they were smarter than we ever imagined.
We didn't just fix a machine. We brought a piece of human history back to life.
Discovered.
Next stop, the Lost City. Are you ready, Marcus?